Ever wondered how HR systems enhance HR functions? Picture a world where HR processes are seamless, efficient, and designed to bring the best out of every employee. A world where HR professionals can focus more on strategic tasks rather than drowning in administrative duties. This is the world HR systems aim to create. So, what exactly are HR systems? Simply put, they are computerized technical systems designed to carry out all the functions of the human resource management process in a proficient manner. They are a set of technical applications used to manage human activities in an organization's internal and external environment. From recruitment to training, these systems streamline and revolutionize every aspect of HR management. Take the recruitment process, for instance. Gone are the days of costly newspaper advertisements and time-consuming application sorting. HR systems make it possible to invite applications through a web page, saving time and resources. But the magic of HR systems doesn't stop at recruitment. They play a crucial role in supporting HR training and development initiatives. Human Resource Information Systems, or HRIS, and Human Capital Management, or HCM platforms provide data-driven insights that help HR professionals design effective training programs. Consider the integration of learning management systems, or LMS, within HR systems. This integration allows seamless access to training materials, tracking of employee progress, and alignment of training activities with performance management. Think about the potential of training needs assessment. HR systems can identify skill gaps and training needs through performance data analysis, employee assessments, and feedback mechanisms. This helps in designing targeted training programs based on the specific learning requirements of individuals or departments. Imagine the power of skill gap analysis. HR systems can conduct skill gap analyses and identify areas where employees need training or development. For example, HR analytics within the system could identify a team's lack of proficiency in project management, prompting the development of a targeted training program. Reflect on the advantages of competency mapping. Advanced HR systems support competency mapping, which involves defining the skills and capabilities required for various roles within the organization. This aligns with training and development efforts by ensuring that training programs are designed to develop the competencies necessary for employee success in their roles. And finally, envision the benefits of personalized learning paths. HR systems enable the creation of personalized learning paths based on employees' job roles, career paths, and developmental goals. This empowers employees to access the training materials most relevant to their professional growth and skill enhancement. In summary, HR systems are game changers in HR management. They streamline processes, provide valuable insights, and enhance the overall efficiency and effectiveness of HR functions. They are not just tools, they are strategic partners that enable HR professionals to unleash the full potential of every employee. Remember, a well-managed human resource is the most valuable asset of any organization, and HR systems are the key to unlocking that value.
Performance management is an ongoing process of communication that occurs throughout the year, supporting the accomplishment of an organization's strategic objectives. HR systems play a pivotal role in streamlining and improving these processes. Consider the following uses. Firstly, HR systems aid in goal setting and alignment. They facilitate the creation, tracking, and alignment of individual and team goals with the organization's objectives. For instance, an HR system allows employees to set SMART goals, aligning them with the company's strategic objectives. Progress is tracked in real time, fostering a results-driven culture. Secondly, HR systems implement continuous feedback mechanisms. Managers and employees can provide real-time feedback, fostering a culture of ongoing improvement. Integrated feedback tools in the system enable employees to provide instant feedback on projects, thereby encouraging continuous improvement and agility within the team. Thirdly, HR systems automate the performance appraisal process. This includes self-assessments and manager evaluations, ensuring consistency, fairness, and timely feedback. As an example, the HR system guides managers and employees through a structured annual performance appraisal process, ensuring consistency and fairness. Fourthly, HR systems enable multi-source feedback by incorporating 360-degree feedback mechanisms. They gather insights from peers, subordinates, and others to provide a comprehensive view of an employee's performance. For instance, the system collects feedback from various sources, offering a comprehensive view of an employee's performance, enhancing self-awareness and development. Fifthly, HR systems define and map key competencies required for various roles within the organization. This assists in the assessment and development of employees based on these competencies. For a software development role, the system helps in evaluating and developing employees based on technical and interpersonal skills. Sixthly, HR systems identify skill gaps through performance assessments and create personalized development plans. They connect employees with relevant training programs for professional growth. After a performance assessment, the system recommends personalized skill development plans. Seventhly, HR systems link performance data to recognition and rewards programs. This ensures that high-performing employees are acknowledged and rewarded appropriately. Performance data in the system can trigger an automated recognition program, acknowledging top performers within the organization. Lastly, HR systems aid in succession planning. They identify high-potential employees and develop succession plans, ensuring a pipeline of talent for key positions within the organization. The system can create succession plans, ensuring a smooth transition for key positions and nurturing leadership talent from within. In summary, HR systems streamline and improve performance management processes by facilitating goal setting, implementing continuous feedback, automating appraisals, enabling 360-degree feedback, mapping competencies, creating skill development plans, linking performance to rewards, and aiding in succession planning. By leveraging these features, organizations can cultivate a high-performing workforce that aligns with their strategic objectives.
What do you know about recruitment and selection? Ever wondered about the systems and practices that underpin these crucial processes in the world of human resources? Today we delve into this fascinating topic. Recruitment is the process of identifying, attracting, and selecting proficient individuals to fill job vacancies within an organization. It's like casting a net wide to catch the most qualified fish in the sea. The aim is to build a pool of potential candidates, each possessing the necessary skills, qualifications, and attributes to meet the requirements of a specific job. On the other hand, selection is the fine art of choosing the most suitable candidate from that pool of applicants. It's about matching the right person with the right job to ensure both organizational and individual success. A well-executed selection process can turn a vacant position into a valuable asset for the organization, propelling it towards its goals and objectives. Now let's break down the current practices in recruitment and selection. First, we have job analysis. This involves identifying and documenting the key responsibilities, skills, and qualifications for a specific job. For example, conducting a thorough analysis for a software developer role, outlining required programming languages, coding skills, and experience with specific frameworks. Second, we have job posting. This is about creating and advertising job openings through various channels to attract potential candidates. For instance, crafting a job posting for a marketing manager position and sharing it on the company website, job boards, and relevant social media platforms. Next comes application screening. This step involves reviewing resumes and applications to shortlist candidates based on their qualifications. For instance, reviewing resumes for a customer service representative role and shortlisting candidates with experience in handling customer inquiries. Then comes the interview stage. This involves conducting interviews, which can be structured, behavioral, or technical, to assess candidates' suitability for the role. For example, conducting a structured interview for a project manager position, asking questions about leadership style, project management methodologies, and problem-solving skills. The fifth step is assessment tests. These are administered to evaluate candidates' skills, knowledge, or personality traits relevant to the job. For example, administering a coding test for a software engineer position to evaluate the candidate's ability to solve programming challenges. And finally, we have reference checks. This involves contacting previous employers or references to verify the candidate's work history and performance. For example, contacting previous employers to verify a candidate's performance in a sales role, asking about sales achievements and teamwork. In summary, recruitment and selection are two pivotal processes in human resources management. They involve a series of steps from job analysis to reference checks, all aimed at attracting, identifying, and selecting the most suitable candidate for a job. These processes are the backbone of any successful organization, ensuring that the right people are in the right roles, driving the organization towards its goals and objectives. So, Next time you apply for a job or hire for a position, remember the intricate dance of recruitment and selection that lies beneath.
How critical are HR systems in driving training and development within organizations? The answer, simply put, is immensely. Human Resource Information Systems, or HRIS, and Human Capital Management Platforms, known as HCM, serve as powerful tools in supporting HR training and development initiatives. They not only streamline administrative tasks, but also track employee learning progress and generate data-driven insights. These insights assist HR professionals in crafting effective targeted training programs. Let's delve into some of the key features and functionalities of these HR systems, specifically tailored for training and development. The first point to consider is the integration of learning management systems, often referred to as LMS. Many HR systems either include or can be integrated with LMS platforms to manage training content, enrollments, and tracking. This integration paves the way for unobstructed access to training materials, allowing for the tracking of employee progress and the alignment of training activities with performance management. Next up is the facilitation of training needs assessment. HR systems can aid in identifying skill gaps and training needs by analyzing performance data, conducting employee assessments, and utilizing feedback mechanisms. This feature becomes pivotal in designing training programs that meet specific learning requirements of individuals or departments. Moving on, we have the practice of skill gap analysis. HR software can be used to conduct skill gap analyses and pinpoint areas where employees need further training or development. For instance, HR analytics within the system might identify a team's lack of proficiency in project management, leading to the development of a targeted training program. The fourth feature is competency mapping. Advanced HR systems support this process, which involves defining the skills and capabilities required for various roles within the organization. This capability aligns perfectly with training and development efforts, ensuring that training programs are designed to develop the competencies necessary for employees to succeed in their roles. Last but not least, we have the creation of personalized learning paths. HR systems with training and development modules enable the creation of these paths based on employees' job roles, career paths, and developmental goals. This feature empowers employees to access the training materials most relevant to their professional growth and skill enhancement. To summarize, HR systems play a fundamental role in driving training and development within organizations. They provide learning management system integration, facilitate training needs assessment and skill gap analysis, support competency mapping, and enable the creation of personalized learning paths. These features not only streamline administrative tasks, but also contribute to the overall effectiveness of training programs, making them invaluable tools for HR professionals.
Why does a harmonious relationship between employees and an organization matter? Well, it is the cornerstone of increased productivity, employee loyalty, and a vibrant company culture. Today, we'll delve into the role of human resources in fostering positive employee relations through various strategic practices. Firstly, communication strategies. An organization can foster a sense of unity and transparency among its employees by implementing effective communication channels. Imagine a monthly company-wide newsletter that shares updates on organizational goals, achievements, and important announcements. This not only keeps employees informed, but also makes them feel valued and involved. Secondly, employee engagement programs. These are initiatives designed to boost employee morale and engagement. Think of an Employee of the Month recognition program or quarterly team building events. Such initiatives not only acknowledge outstanding contributions, but also promote a sense of community within the organization. Next, we have conflict resolution. It involves establishing clear conflict resolution procedures and providing managers with training to handle interpersonal issues within teams. Imagine equipping managers with effective communication and mediation skills to address team conflicts. This fosters a harmonious work environment where conflicts are resolved promptly and professionally. Fourthly, there's performance feedback. Regular performance reviews and constructive feedback support employees' professional development. Picture an annual performance review with structured feedback sessions to discuss accomplishments, areas for improvement and career development opportunities. This promotes a culture of continuous learning and growth. Then, employee assistance programs. These are confidential counseling services or support programs provided to employees facing personal or work-related challenges. Offering such services, including mental health resources, demonstrates the organization's commitment to the overall well-being of its employees. Sixth, policy development. Developing and communicating company policies and procedures ensure a consistent and fair work environment. For instance, a comprehensive employee handbook that clearly outlines company policies, including code of conduct, attendance, and anti-discrimination policies. Seventh, workplace investigations. These involve conducting impartial investigations into complaints or allegations of workplace misconduct and taking appropriate actions based on findings. This ensures that any complaints or allegations are handled appropriately, maintaining trust and fairness within the organization. Lastly, flexible work arrangements. These are policies supporting flexible work schedules or remote work options to enhance work-life balance. Enabling employees to choose between remote and on-site work accommodates individual preferences and needs, thereby promoting satisfaction and productivity. Various softwares and employee relations management systems such as Slack, Microsoft Teams, Bonusly, Mediate Next, Conflict Cloud, Trello, Bamboo R, PeopleSoft HRMs, and Zendesk HR Case Management can help in developing and managing these employee relations practices. To sum up, positive employee relations are pivotal to an organization's success. Effective communication, employee engagement programs, conflict resolution, performance feedback, employee assistance programs, policy development, workplace investigations, and flexible work arrangements are key HR practices in fostering these relations. By implementing and managing these practices, organizations can create a positive, engaging, and productive work environment. So, let's remember, a happy workforce is a productive workforce.
What if we told you that the future of organizational development is already here? That's right. The modern workplace is a hotbed of innovative technologies, all designed to streamline processes, boost productivity, and foster a more engaged and efficient workforce. Today, we delve into 9 key technologies that are shaping the landscape of organizational development. First up, collaboration tools. Think of platforms like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Asana. They're the digital conference rooms, the virtual water coolers, where teams come together to communicate, coordinate, and manage projects. These tools break down geographical barriers, foster a culture of transparency, and encourage a collaborative work environment. Next in line, HR software. Systems such as Workday or Bamboo HR have revolutionized human resource management. From recruitment to employee management, these platforms streamline processes, making HR operations more efficient and less time-consuming. Thirdly, there's data analytics. Tools like Tableau or Power BI are not just fancy spreadsheets. They're powerful resources that enable organizations to dissect and interpret data, providing valuable insights and supporting informed decision-making. Then we have learning management systems, or LMS for short. Platforms such as Moodle or Cornerstone are the cornerstones of employee training and development. They offer a platform for continuous learning, upskilling, and reskilling, ensuring that employees stay competitive in a rapidly evolving marketplace. Our fifth technology is employee engagement platforms. Tools like TinyPulse or 15Five provide a pulse on employee sentiment. They collect feedback, measure engagement, and help organizations take proactive steps to foster a positive work environment. Automation and AI take the sixth spot. These technologies streamline repetitive tasks, improve workflows, and support informed decision-making processes. They're the silent workhorses, tirelessly working behind the scenes to boost efficiency and productivity. Next, we have virtual and augmented reality. These aren't just for gaming anymore. They're increasingly used for training and simulations, providing immersive learning experiences that boost comprehension and retention. Our eighth technology is blockchain. Beyond cryptocurrencies, this technology offers secure and transparent record-keeping. It fosters trust in transactions and enhances data management, particularly in industries where security and transparency are paramount. Finally, we have remote work technologies. With the rise of remote work, tools like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and VPNs have become indispensable. They keep teams connected, foster collaboration, and ensure that work continues.
no matter where employees are located. And let's not forget cybersecurity solutions. As organizations digitize more aspects of their operations, robust cybersecurity measures including firewalls, encryption, and endpoint protection are essential. They are the guardians of the digital realm, protecting valuable data and resources from cyber threats. In conclusion, these 9 technologies are not just shaping the future of organizational development. They're defining it. They're enhancing efficiency, fostering collaboration, supporting informed decision-making, and promoting an engaged and productive workforce. The future is here, and it's digital.
Why is health and safety so vital in our lives? Whether it's in the workplace, at home, or in public spaces, the protection of our well-being and safety is paramount. This is where health and safety, commonly abbreviated as H&S, comes into play. It's a vast field, encompassing a wide range of policies, procedures, and practices, all designed to keep us safe and healthy in our daily lives. One of the key aspects of health and safety is occupational health and safety, or OHS. This branch is all about ensuring the well-being of employees in the workplace. It aims to prevent accidents, injuries, and illnesses. To enhance this, technology has stepped in with wearable devices and sensors that can monitor workers' health and safety, tracking physiological parameters, detecting hazardous conditions, and providing real-time alerts. Then we have environmental health and safety, or EHS, which focuses on managing and mitigating environmental and safety risks in various industries. Again, technology plays a significant role, with environmental monitoring tools like sensors and Internet of Things devices used to measure air and water quality, noise levels, and other environmental factors. Advanced analytics then come into play, predicting and preventing potential hazards. Consider, too, the importance of emergency response systems. When accidents happen, a quick and effective response is crucial. Automated emergency notification systems, GPS tracking, and communication tools are all part of the tech arsenal here, with drones equipped with cameras and sensors also used for rapid assessment of disaster or accident scenes. Data analytics and predictive modeling is another key aspect. By analyzing large datasets, patterns can be identified and potential risks predicted, enabling proactive measures. This is where big data analytics and machine learning algorithms come in, analyzing historical data to predict potential safety hazards and implementing preventive measures before accidents occur. Virtual reality and augmented reality technologies are also making their mark. They're increasingly used for training and simulation in high-risk environments, allowing workers to experience potentially dangerous situations in a controlled environment, enhancing their preparedness and response skills without exposing them to real risks. Smart personal protective equipment, or PPE, is essential for protecting individuals from workplace hazards. Here, technology steps in with smart PPE, embedding sensors that monitor the wearer's vital signs, environmental conditions, and overall safety. This data can then be transmitted in real time to supervisors or a central monitoring system. Finally, robotics and automation are being used to perform tasks in hazardous environments, reducing the risk to human workers. Autonomous robots are used for tasks like inspection, maintenance, and cleaning in environments with potential risks, such as chemical spills or radioactive. In conclusion, technology's integration into health and safety practices has improved overall safety, increased efficiency, reduced costs, and enhanced the ability to respond to emergencies effectively. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see further innovations and improvements in the health and safety landscape.
Have you ever wondered how technology can improve your health at work? Today, we delve into the fascinating world of employee wellness programs and the technologies that make them tick. First on the list are wellness apps. These handy tools live right on your phone, offering guidance on everything from nutrition to exercise and even meditation. Consider the likes of Fitbit and MyFitnessPal, assisting you in taking control of your health. Next up, we have wearables. These aren't just ordinary accessories. These are smart devices like Apple Watch and Fitbit that monitor your physical activity, sleep patterns, and stress levels. It's like having a personal health assistant around your wrist. Now let's talk about health risk assessment, or HRA tools. Based on your lifestyle and health history, these tools evaluate your overall health status. Employers can then use this data to devise strategies for a healthier workplace. Companies like Castlight Health and Limeade are leading the way in this space. Telehealth services have revolutionized healthcare access. Platforms like Teladoc and Doctor on Demand allow you to consult with a doctor online, eliminating the need for frequent clinic visits. Mental health is just as crucial as physical health. That's where mental health apps come in, offering stress relief techniques and meditation guides. Apps like Calm and Headspace are making mental wellness more accessible. Next, we have corporate wellness platforms, such as Virgin Pulse and Wellable. These platforms compile various health resources, making it easy for employees to access wellness initiatives. Biometric screening tools are also making waves in employee wellness. These devices monitor vital health markers like blood pressure and cholesterol, ensuring you're always in the know about your health status. Gamification and incentive programs are adding a fun twist to health. Platforms like Kies and MoveSpring turn health goals into a game, offering rewards for healthy behaviors. Data analytics play a key role in evaluating the effectiveness of wellness programs. By analyzing data, employers can improve their wellness initiatives, ultimately enhancing employee health and productivity. Finally, the integration of these wellness programs with existing HR systems is crucial. This ensures a seamless user experience and personalized health advice. In conclusion, technology is revolutionizing employee wellness, making healthier workplaces a reality. From wellness apps and wearables to telehealth services and data analytics, technology is at the heart of creating healthier, happier work environments.